Hello everyone, my name is Chadira Pandey. I study in grade 7 Karnali, and today I'll be showing you how to find the product of algebraic expression using the paper folding method. Let's start now. First of all, I will be doing monomial by monomial. Over here you can see that the length is x and the breadth is y. Let's start. I'll be starting off with monomial by monomial. This is the length of the paper and this is the breadth of the paper. Let's suppose the length is x unit and the breadth is y unit. If we sum those up, the product will be xy unit. Now I'll be drawing it on the paper. You can see that the area of this rectangle is xy. Now I'll be showing you how to do binomial by monomial. I'll be folding the paper now. Now the paper is divided into two parts. Let's say this is x, this is y, and this is z. Now I'll be drawing it on the paper. Over here, you can see that the paper I've folded and the shape that I've drawn on the paper is the same. Over here, I've labeled the length as x, and for the other shape, I've labeled the length as y. For the breadth, I've labeled it as z. The area of the first tile is zx, while the area of the second tile is zy, which comes to the conclusion that the product of binomial by monomial is zx plus zy. Now I'll be folding the paper into another half. I'll be drawing the same thing into the paper again. You can see here that the folded parts and the drawing that I've made here looks the same. Over here, I've labeled the length as x. For the other part, I've named it y, and for the last part, I've named it z, and the breadth is a. The area of the first part is ax, the area of the second part is ay, and the area of the last part is az. The product of the whole thing is ax plus ay plus az. Now I'll be showing trinomial by binomial. Now I'll be folding the paper from here. You can see here that the folded paper and the shapes I've drawn on the paper looks the same. Over here, I've labeled the length for the first part as x, for the second part I've named it y, and for the third part I've named it z. For the breadth, I've named the first part as a and the second part as b. The area of the first tile is ax, the second one is ay, the third one is az, while over here for the first tile it's bx, for the second tile it's by, and for the third tile it's bc, which adds up to ax, ay plus az plus bx plus by plus bz. By folding one paper, we learned how to find the product of monomial by monomial, binomial by monomial, trinomial by monomial, and trinomial by binomial. I hope you learned how to find the product of different algebraic expressions. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.